We're in Charlotte, getting ready to shoot with CVO ST for a model year launch. Excited. Do some sick burnouts, do some brake skids. I got a all white bike, all white gear. James, all black bike, all black gear.
So I guess I'm the villain then.
You are the villain.
You can definitely feel the racing DNA in these things. 127 horsepower, 145 foot-pounds. It's all you want, fullness bagger.
So this is the first time I've been on one, and I just felt super comfortable on the bike right away. Some of the stuff we had to do is pretty technical and super nimble. The suspension's good. Like you said, the power, really responsive. The updated dash, looks, feel, the whole just everything about the bike seemed like an overhaul. I just feel super comfortable right off the bat. Already just dragging floorboards and things of that nature. So on a stock bike, you know, you're doing something good.
It's a 121 and it's got the high output. It's putting a lot of air through those exhaust pipes.
Those are tie pipes too. What is that on the back? A little
carbon cap on the end. I don't even know if I would touch this thing if I bought it. Like, I don't even know what I would put on.
It's been great so far. I cannot wait to get back on it.